Hey, happy MLK Day, guys. Bob with Trade Genius, the 20th of January. I'm going to show you gold, silver, and GDXJ chart here today because we're really decision time here on these metals and miners. So this is a weekly chart. I'm taking a step back, taking a look to see what's up, the opportunity is here for us. And so here's gold, and you know, this move here, let me just zoom out here a little bit so you can see right here. So this is the move that was made in May of 2019. Big move off of consolidation. And then we have basically a top right at the end of summer. And then we consolidate it, down until the pretty much the beginning, middle of December. And we get a trend change. And then this move right here, this inverted hammer, is that Iran news. And so just, taking out that knee-jerk reaction here, we're kind of flagging here. This is kind of consolidation on high. And, RSI is still not overbought. And right here was an RSI buy area. And so, so my view is that this should push higher. And if it does, the target here is basically 1636 area. Needs to climb over 1565 to re-break basically this, actually a little bit lower actually. There you go. So basically it's right now flirting with the double top again. So it needs a breakthrough here, and then I think we're going to move higher. If not, then then we're looking for it to head back to 1516 area. But right now, I feel that it's probably going to push higher. I think this regular stock market is sucking wind a little bit. And typically, the gold, silver, and the miners have been recipients of any kind of weakness in the market. Unless the market is smelling, deflation coming. So we'll just have to watch the ratio between them. But right now, it's sitting right at resistance, and it's not being sold off, so it's something to keep an eye on. And then taking a look at silver, kind of did the same thing with silver here, is that, we had this big move again, 2019, came to a top here at the end of summer. We consolidated back to December, and it's been pushing up. And now it hit resistance here at this 0.61, retracement of this move, and now it has to break over. Basically, this SLV basically has to break back over 1725, 1730 area for it to push out and at least get back to the double top. And so, again, it's at a decision point here. This is a kind of a smoother look at money flow. It is a weekly. And, it's an uptrend here. And it's to be determined if this thing rolls over and this doesn't make a new high, then we're going to come back down again. So just something to keep an eye on. And then if you look at GDXJ, which we re-entered on Friday, is that, again, this is so hard to see sometimes because all the colors. So this is what it looks like. And for me, this is almost like basically a cup and handle move here. And what I like to see it do is push back up and over. And for us to get a nice move, then I think this move to $47 is probable. So it's kind of where I'm at right now, and so I might toe in the water here on GDXJ, and then we're just going to see what happens. In terms of SPY, I gave my thoughts earlier this weekend that I think at some point here before the end of the month, I think we'll be starting a sell-off of some importance, and doesn't mean it's the sell-off, but I think we're at a point now where the market is on fumes. And so we'll just have to see how the things that have been beaten up react, and to see if the money flows either into safety or into these the safety of the miners and metals versus the safety of bonds and cash. And, I just don't know. I'm trading it on the hourly, but I'm just showing you guys a weekly. And we'll just see what happens with that. So my view, Davos this week, I think they're gonna probably try to keep things from getting too crazy. And I think the week coming after they're all back, then I think we'll probably see some more meaningful selling. But I'm prepared for it at any point. So I have my spy puts in for February, and so I'm ready if they decide to blast off starting tomorrow. Anyway, you guys have a good one, and look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye bye.